In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AI model in Perplexity. Being able to switch models lets you tailor responses for research, coding, brainstorming, or quick lookups. I'll show you exactly where the switcher lives and how to pick each option so you can compare outputs with confidence. Start by going to the Perplexity website or opening the app. If you're not already signed in, do that now so your preferences are saved. From the home screen, you should see the chat interface with a prompt box. If you want a clean slate, open a new chat so it's easy to spot the change when you switch models. Now click the model control. You'll find it near the top of the page, typically next to the prompt box showing the current model's name. Selecting it opens a menu of available models. On mobile, tap the same label to open the list. If the menu doesn't appear, try widening your window or refreshing the page. Choose Sonar. This sets Perplexity's own model. The label will update to confirm the change, and your next message will use Sonar automatically. Send a quick test prompt to get a feel for its tone and speed, then come back to the selector whenever you're ready to try something else. Select GPT 5.4 from the list. This switches the assistant to that model for your conversation. After you pick it, check that the model badge reflects the change. Reuse the same test prompt you tried earlier to compare style, level of detail, and how it handles follow-ups. Next, click Gemini 3.1 Pro. Confirm the new model name appears at the top of the chat. Keep your prompt consistent so you can make a fair comparison of clarity, structure, and any differences in reasoning or formatting. Choose Claude Sonnet 4.6. Verify the selector shows the update, then run your test prompt. Notice whether the pacing or phrasing or depth shifts in a way that fits your task. Switch to Claude Opus 4.7. As before, look for the model badge to confirm the change and reuse your prompt to see how responses vary in nuance and completeness. Finally, click Nemotron 3 Super. With the badge updated, send the same prompt to round out your comparison. You can hop between models at any time. Your selection applies to new messages going forward. A quick tip before we wrap up. The exact options you see can vary based on your plan and region, and switching models won't alter earlier messages in the thread. If you ever lose track, just check the model name at the top of the chat. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change the AI model in Perplexity with confidence.